Home Remedies presents super easy 2-ingredient remedy to get rid of nail fungus. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video I will share with you a very easy and simple remedy to get rid of what you call is toenail fungus. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. A fungal nail occurs when a fungus attacks a toenail, a fingernail or the skin under the nail. Any part of the body can be affected by the fungal infections. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, AAD, toenails are more often affected by the fungal infections than the fingernails because they are usually confined to the shoes and are in moist, warm environment. Fungal infection will not cause any serious problems, but it can be hurtful, look awful, or damage the nails. Get rid of nail fungus forever. The natural remedy I am going to prepare today contains only 2 ingredients: apple cider vinegar and baking soda. The vinegar is acidic, making it more and more difficult for the fungus to survive. Surrounding skin and the nail will not be damaged by the vinegar. Baking soda does not kill the fungus. It is, however, fungistatic, which means it can prevent fungus from growing and spreading. You will need 4 to 5 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 cup of white vinegar or apple cider vinegar, water, paper towels. Directions: mix 1 cup of your vinegar with enough water to soak your feet in. Soak for 15 minutes and then pat dry with paper towels. Add several tablespoons of baking soda to enough water to soak your feet in and soak for 15 minutes. Pat feet completely dry with paper towels. Do this twice a day. The idea is that the vinegar will kill off the fungi, while the baking soda will then inhibit the growth of more. Tip for best results: before using this treatment, trim back as much of the affected nail as you can with a clean nail clippers. Don't peel with your fingers. Make sure to disinfect the clippers after use to prevent the fungus from spreading. Rinse feet in warm water and pat dry. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.